Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off chill mode in Ultrahuman Air. So yeah, what you need to do basically, open up your app and then head over to the top left corner where you see this circle icon. So mine is gray now, but if you have ring connected you will see green. So if you press on that one, you will see then here at the bottom, here in the middle of this menu, you will see background sync developer mode, and you will see choose a battery usage mode. And right here you see chill mode. So what this means is basically smart, cool and optimized. So it focuses on tracking during sleep and restful periods to extend battery life. If you have it on the turbo mode, it will be high battery usage. So what you need to do to turn off chill mode is simply just press this switch right here on the right side. Now I'm turning on chill mode, but if you press on it, if you have it on, you will see this green switch, and yeah, you need just press on it and it will be off or on. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.